Thank you. If I could have your attention, the teacher in me knows that you may be excited about the new device in front of you, but I want your full attention.
VILS is the Verizon Innovative Learning School program, where Verizon and Digital Promise provide iPads to students in underserved areas.
We have 12 campuses who are participating in this VILS initiative.
District-wide in our middle schools, there's over 8,000 iPads being deployed.
Verizon Innovative Learning has been around for about 6 years. One of the best things about Verizon Innovative Learning is it's intentional about digital literacy and whenever you're providing digital equity and access. So when I think about just providing a device and providing access to students, that doesn't change or solve anything. But by doing it intentionally, where you provide a Verizon Innovative Learning coach, you're looking at classroom management skills, you're looking at how we provide digital literacy to both staff and students and digital citizenship. All of those systems help us create a digital transformation model in schools. We have the opportunity in Wichita Public Schools to have 12 of those schools in the program, which is the largest number of schools in an individual year program that the initiative has. And so we get the great value of having previous districts that have gone through this digital transformation model be in a community to help us change these 12 VILS schools to become STEM schools.
We are really taking away that roadblock that sometimes our students have of when they go home, they can't do the work. They can't continue to work on that. And so with this initiative, they have on-demand data. So they're able to do this at home, which is amazing.
When you think about VILS and what that provides Verizon's wireless network across the entire United States. It really doesn't matter where the kid is. They're going to have access to a quality broadband that can give an experience that's good for any type of learning that they might need to consume.
What I'm going to be doing is I'll be receiving some training. I'll be then supporting the teachers through that training. So sometimes it'll be on-demand training that they're going to receive through Verizon. And then sometimes it will be things that I'm going to help them at the PL level as almost like technology coach, right? So I'll be helping them with that component. But then the big cool is we're going to be spending about 80% of our time out in the classrooms. It is wonderful how they really have set out a plan for us so that it ensures that we get into the classrooms and support not just the kids, but also the teachers.
One of the biggest things about Verizon Innovative Learning when it applies to Wichita Public Schools, it's the only 12 schools in the district that have digital equity and access for both staff and students. Every staff member gets a device that has Verizon Internet on it, and every student gets a device with Verizon Internet on it. If you belong to one of our other schools, we ask you in online enrollment whether you have access to broadband or not, and then we provide it to those in highest need. When I think about student tech teams, we're piloting those here so that we can replicate it across the rest of the district. When I think about the VILS coaches and providing blended learning within the classroom, that's something that's only done in these VILS schools initially here. And I think as we progress forward as a district in technology, these types of systems will begin to replicate to our other schools. But these are our lighthouse schools for how technology should be really invested into the classroom.
We are so thankful for this opportunity, and this was a district initiative with the partnership with Verizon.
Thank you, Verizon.